Hello students, how are you all? This is Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. So many students ask me how do you make miniature costumes for dolls. So I am going to show you how I am going to make miniature costumes, sari and dhoti using waste fabric. There are lots of fabric that we make, and after that it becomes little because of the size, right? Uneven cutting sometimes. Because of that we get lots of waste fabric like this. So I am going to teach you a technique where you can make use of the fabric which we cannot use it for dolls, right? So this is a miniature costume, sari and dhoti, that I am going to show you using easy and simple technique. So do you know this? This is a foam sheet, right? So this is also a waste foam sheet. Okay. So I am going to take a small piece of this. All right. We need to turn a square or a rectangular shape. Usually saris are packed in rectangular shape like this, right? So I have taken a small piece of this. Okay. And now I'm going to take a piece of this white. I'm going to make this a dhoti. The things that we need is just one piece of, if you don't have this, do not worry, you can use any waste cardboard or anything, okay, or even paper also, waste paper. This, if you use foam, it will look very realistic. Okay, I'm just applying glue, all right, just like this, and I'm just going to roll it. Okay, just roll it once or twice till this is covered. Okay, and in the end I'm just going to fold and just paste, so to give a realistic look. Okay, and now this area also we need to fold. Okay, so dhoti is ready. Now I am going to use a lace to give a more realistic look. So I have this waist lace. You can use any lace. Only this area I'm just going to cover it like this. Okay. See, beautiful dhoti is ready. You can use any color lace. You can use gold color, white color lace. Okay. And one attachment here like this to give a more realistic look. So when it is a craft, when it is coming to craft, nothing is waste product. Whatever that we have, we can be creative and make the best use of it. Okay. So my dhoti is ready. Let it dry. And now I have this waist lace. Similar to that, I'm just going to put some glue. Just roll it once or twice. Beautiful. Sari will be ready in seconds. During summer season, lots of kids come here to learn all this miniature crafts. So I give all this to the kids. They also make, they also become happy, because some very small kids, we cannot teach them doll making, right? So they will not be able to stitch using needle and thread. So for those kids, I teach them something like this. They are also happy, they are also engaged, and we also get the output. Okay, let me just fix it. So this looks like that traditional border, right? So I just want to ensure that the border is visible. Okay, so beautiful sari and blouse, sari and dhoti. So for the blouse, what I am going to do is, I am going to use a contrast color or any color, green color fabric. Let me see if I have green color fabric. Just give me a minute. Okay, I got a contrast green color. See, this was also lying down. Instead of throwing this, so I got the small piece. So we need to fold this in a triangle shape, okay? To make it more realistic, we need to fold it in a triangle shape. I hope it is visible in the video. See, blouse, sari, and this cute plate. Apply glue, and you can fix it and ready to give. How is it? Share your feedback, and I will see you with more beautiful miniature costumes like this. Bye bye for now.